In today's video, I'm going to show you how to transfer domain names in a Cloudflare registrar. First, prepare the domain you would like to transfer, like unlocking it, and obtain the domain's authorization code, also known as the EPP code or transfer key. Then, log into your Cloudflare dashboard and make sure the domain has already been added to Cloudflare and is actively using Cloudflare name servers. Once that's complete, navigate to Domain Registration and select Transfer Domains. Enter the domain name you want to transfer and follow the prompts. When requested, paste the authorization code from your current registrar and review the transfer details. Submit the transfer request and approve any confirmation emails sent by your current registrar. The transfer process may take several days to complete, depending on the domain extension and registrar policies. Once finished, your domain registration will be managed directly through Cloudflare Registrar. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please feel free to use the affiliate link in the description.